Want a spotless home without lifting a finger, or at least not scrubbing for hours? Here are the top 5 cleaning gadgets on Amazon that'll make your home sparkle in 2025. Number 1. The iRobot Roomba Combo J10 Plus. It vacuums and mops, all by itself, and even cleans its own mop pad. It's basically your new best friend with a charging dock. Number 2. The Bissell Crosswave OmniForce. It vacuums and mops at the same time. Say goodbye to tangled hair and hello to shiny floors, all cordless. Number 3. The 2U Electric Spin Scrubber. This little powerhouse gets deep grime out of every corner, and with no elbow grease. Number 4. The Pink Stuff Scrubber Kit. Paired with their Miracle Paste, this tool gets your sink, stove, and even sneakers looking brand new. And number 5. The Chebio Cordless Stick Vacuum. It's lightweight, powerful, and switches into a handheld in seconds. Perfect for everyday messes. Want to see the full list with links, prices, and where to buy? Head over to thebuybeacon.com, your go-to spot for top Amazon finds.